Yes, thank you once again. Uh, Samson, on your question of the banking, it's a slippery area, which I always don't want to. But today I have to say something about it because I think this is the fifth time you've asked this question, and people are also asking similar questions. With the banking industry, uh, to me, I would say it's one of the laziest institution siphoning money from us. I don't see why your money should be passing through a bank as a salaried worker, and that bank will still be charging you service charge on your account, even to the tune of 50 cedis, 20 cedis per month. Whatever money you keep in the bank does not sleep in that bank. Every bank makes profit on every money you put in their account. They trade over it. They have overnight trading. They have the treasure bills. They have the bonds and things they buy. So the money you leave in your account does not sleep in the account. They make abnormal profits on it. Yet, how much do they pay? Look at the end of every financial year of every bank. Check your bank statement and see the interest they pay on your account. 0.001%. And that interest is even paid on what is in the account as at the time they are computing that. The balance as at your account, not the monies that have accumulated or have run through the account. No. The outstanding balance as at the day, if the end of their financial year is 31st December, whatever year, 31st December, when they are computing, if you have one CD in your account, they apply it on the one CD for you. But their bank charges does not apply on what amount that comes through. If it's a flat rate, it's a flat rate. So what I will tell you, I can't pinpoint banks to you. We've done our research. We have the list of the banks, but I'm not here to mention any name. But the only advice I can give you, check your banking system. Check your accounts. Compare your bank charges to the interest the bank gives you. If a bank charges you more than the interest they pay on your account as a salary worker, move your money from that bank. If some of you could sit and do the calculations and analysis, you will prefer to even to take your salaries on table instead of passing it through bank. I'm telling you honestly. Because if you are being paid, or you are charging 20 cedis on your account, if the bank charges 20 cedis on your account on a monthly basis, per year, that's how much? 240, right? Or have you ever received your bank statement at the end of the year and have seen an interest of 100 cedis in your account from your bank? So are you running a loss? Meanwhile, you are trading on your money. They make business with your money. They give it out on loans. The interest rate banks are charging on loan as at now is 25% minimum for every loan. They use your salary as a collateral because they use it for their projections, because they know we have 200 staffs that receive their salaries through this bank, and this is the amount they receive every month. Therefore, at the end of the month, this is the projected amount we know that will hit our accounts, for whichever banks and things are doing the transfer and doing the checks, they charge money from them. Yes, they make profit from that. They accumulate money from that sections too. Therefore, they can make projections that yes, we can give 70% of such money as loans because these people will not touch their money, and therefore we can trade our own money and use these people's money to disperse and be paying other people's running around, because 10% of you do not cash your money out. They have all those projections. So their banks makes more money from you, yet insults you without interest. And almost all the banks are victims. So what I can tell you, compare the charges you are being charged on your account to the annual returns they pay on your account. If it is worth it, stay. If it is not, move your money from that bank and keep on hopping from bank to bank. Until we all collectively come together and say enough is enough to the banks, they will keep on exploiting us. They will keep on extorting us. And they will keep on making more money from us. The word to the wise is enough. So Samson, that's the little I can say about the banking industry. If you want to be smart, go do the calculations yourself. Look at how much they are charging you, how much you are paying per every transactions. Compare it to the interest they pay you per every transaction, so at the end of the month or at the end of the year. And make the analysis. If at the end of the year you could give me an interest of 5 cedis, but every month I pay 20 cedis on my account, are you insulting me? Meanwhile, you charge 25%, 27%, 30% on people you give my money to. You do letters of credit because of my money. You use my money as collateral. You do transactions, online transactions, exports and whatever they do. Huge transactions, and they make more money. And they pay themselves fat salaries at the expense of you. Which in reality, no bank is supposed to be charging anybody a peso on their salary account, especially salary account, savings account. You're not supposed to be charging anybody because the money is just there for you to make use of. And the salary is your guaranteed backbone, or is an insurance to you. So why do you charge such accounts again when you're making more profit from the account? So I'm saying, I'll end it here. I don't want to go too deep into certain things. At the right time, the right information, the figures, and the names of the banks will come out. Then you know the charges they are all charging. Then you make your own analysis and comparison. Which one do you want to be with? Thank you.